this year's union budget from an indirect tax perspective has 3-4 focus areas. The first and foremost is that when the finance minister announced that the aim of the budget is to encourage value-added domestic manufacture, and towards this objective there have been 2-3 measures. One is the customs duty on the finished products have been increased so that there is a level playing field for the domestic manufacture. In addition to that, the FM has also exempted the capital goods which are required for the manufacture of the goods in India, like the goods required for manufacturing the electronic items, which is the area of focus. The third point, which again in this area the FM has tried to do, is that there were certain items which were not manufactured in India, so given some benefit on imports. Now that the manufacture in India has started, the FM has removed those exemptions. So cumulatively, these 2-3 proposals together would go to encourage the value-added manufacture in India. So this has been one area of proposals in the budget. The other area of which has been focused is the electric vehicles rather. So here what has happened is that there has been a reduction in the customs duty on certain critical parts required for manufacture of the electric vehicles in India. And again on the GST part of it, already there is a proposal before the GST Council to reduce the GST rate on electric vehicles from the present 12% to 5%. These two measures would definitely give a boost to manufacture of electric vehicles in India. The third important element on the indirect tax part of the budget is that there has been a scheme which has been announced to basically resolve the disputes of the legacy tax regime, particularly the excise and service tax. There are about 3.5 lakh cases which are pending. And as per the scheme, we need to of course wait for the final details, but broadly the government is willing to give a relief of 40 to 70% of the tax dues, and once the tax is paid and regularized or accepted by the government, then there is no need for paying the balance taxes, and in addition the interest and penalty would get waived. So overall this year's budget from indirect tax has sort of addressed the domestic manufacture imperatives and also tried to declog the huge accumulated litigation on the legacy indirect tax regime, so that it not only enhances the revenue collection but also promotes the ease of doing business and gives some peace to the trade and industry. Thanks.